Welcome! Today we're diving into how to enable new followers notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, specifically on your PC. With the latest update, keeping track of your growing audience just got a whole lot easier. Let's get started. First, open your account by signing into X. Once you're all set, look to the left menu panel. You'll find a section labeled More. Click on that to expand your options. Next, from the drop-down, choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new window where you'll find a variety of settings to customize your experience. Now, click on Notifications. Here, you'll find everything related to how you receive alerts on the platform. Then, head over to Preferences. Inside this section, find and click on Push Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Scroll through the options and check the box for New Follower. Doing this ensures you'll get notified whenever someone hits that follow button on your profile. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to ensure your preferences are updated. And there you have it. You're all set to receive notifications for your new followers. Now you can keep track of your growth easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.